Magnets fluttering on the board? Pencils sprouting up in a school supply cup? A sharpener that turned into a ladybug? And a leaf notebook? Spring has sprung in Troom School. Watch our new video to learn ideas for spring school supplies. Redhead's getting ready for class. Regular school supplies are so boring, but the spirit of spring floats into the room. Christy's got spring-themed school supplies with her. A spring mood is approaching Redhead at dangerous speeds. Christy brought an unusual school supply stand. Is this a desk-sized park? It's actually a miracle of nature, growing pencils. Watch as they grow right before your eyes. Fill gelatin capsules with seeds. Close the capsule and hot glue it to the end of a pencil. Glue a printout with a plant name onto the joint. Make a few pencils with different plants. Put some pebbles into a school supply cup. Fill the cup with soil. Plant grass seeds and add another layer of soil. Water it. Put irrigation pebbles and soil into Ziploc baggies. Then place the baggies and pencils into the school supply cup. Christy pours in pebbles and soil and plants the pencils. And a miracle occurs. The pencils grow in their stand. This is really real grass. It grew right here, directly from the pencil. Knowledge of nature is power. And we'll use the rest of the pencils to write down the results of our floral experiment. Olivia Cactus's class on the Natural Sciences has a visitor. Lovely butterflies! They landed on the blackboard just like on a delicate flower. Make the shape of butterfly wings out of wire. Bend them using a tube of glue. Adjust the shape with pliers. Coat a piece of parchment paper with Vaseline. Lay down the wing and fill it with hot glue. Sprinkle a lot of glitter on top. Once it dries, take the wing off the parchment paper. Shake off the excess. Secure the glitter with clear nail polish. Make the butterfly's antenna out of thin wire. Glue the wings and antenna onto a magnet. Make a body out of hot glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Miss Olivia loves these butterflies. They are so shiny and make her so happy. This spring, no boring magnets allowed. To explain the subject of today's class, Olivia Cactus gives her students twigs. Make a branch out of wire on a colored pencil. Give volume to the whole length of the pencil with hot glue. Make shoots and buds on the branch. When the glue dries, color the branch with acrylic paint. Paint the buds green. These aren't branches, but pencils. They look very real. And they're bendy too. The girls like this botany lesson. They'll be remembering these pencil branches for a long time. Redhead is gluing cute spring-themed pictures into her notebook, but Christy decided to make even her glue fit the theme. There you go! Your glue is as fresh as green grass. Fill the opening in the wheel of a glue stick with hot glue. Pour soil inside. Drop in some water and plant seeds. Add another layer of soil and water it. Put hot glue onto the edge of the wheel and glue on some tulle so the soil doesn't fall out. Wait for the seeds to sprout. The fresh grass pokes Redhead right in the face. Spring is wonderful! Still, a flowering glue stick is too much. But Christy loves the smell of fresh grass. The greener, the better. Redhead uses as much glue as she wants, then turns the glue into a flower pot. keep growing. Redhead is too selfish to want to share her erasers, but Olivia Cactus gives the girl a flower of peace and compromise. String a few colorful erasers onto a thin wire. Twist them into a circle. Connect the ends of the wire and put a long green eraser onto it. Put a toothpick into a bright semicircle eraser. Cut off the excess and attach it to the base like a petal. Poke through the center of the stem and attach green leaf-shaped erasers. Miss Olivia plucks one petal at a time and gives each girl a bright eraser. No more fighting! This eraser flower can be put together and taken apart, just like a Lego set. Both girls have a lifetime supply of erasers now. And when class ends, they can put the bright flower of friendship back together. Redhead is sharpening her pencils, and Christy swaps out her sharpener. Now she has a Ladybug Sharpener. Cover a round pencil sharpener with light red clay. Trim the excess. Divide it in half. Make the ladybug's hard outer wings. Make a head, legs, and spots out of black clay. And make the antenna out of a red paperclip. Make eyes. Put the ladybug onto a leaf made out of light green clay. Use a modeling tool to make veins on the leaf. Redhead reaches for her sharpener, but sees a beetle on the desk instead. Who is this lovely guest? This sweet-faced ladybug will help you sharpen all your pencils. How adorable! Miss Olivia has an urgent meeting with the principal, and the girls decide to arrange a surprise for her. They'll share their spring mood by giving her cute spring sticky notes. Divide a block of sticky notes by color. Trace a bird outline using a template and cut out different colors of birds. The girls stick birds everywhere, and a whole flock of birds settled on the blackboard. Miss Cactus sees her new neighbors. This must be a good omen. All these birds migrating in means it must be spring, and the teacher's mood improves instantly. Does your regular notebook look boring now? Don't be sad, bestie! Redhead grew a special notebook just for Christy. It's fresh and green like a spring leaf. Draw half a leaf on the cover of a notebook. First, cut out the cover, then the papers. Draw the leaf's veins with hot glue. Color the leaf with acrylic paint. Emphasize the veins. Make it 3D. Whoa! Christy's so happy about this spring-themed present. She'll use this notebook to write down all her plans for spring break, and she'll always keep this leaf notebook with her. Regular paper clips are so boring. The spring season means changing everything, including our school supplies. Christy gives the teacher some tulips. Twist wire into a spiral. Make tulip petals around it. Then work the wire into a stem. Make leaves. Use the tulips as paper clips. The teacher can't find something to hold her papers together. But in spring, even paper clips turn into beautiful tulips. Olivia loves all flowers. And these tulip paper clips look fantastic peeking out of her magazine. Olivia Cactus is overloaded with books, but she's also got a special floral sketchbook. It's perfect for studying botany and the language of flowers. Trace a circle on a sketchbook. Put a thin board under the cover and cut out the circle with a utility knife. Use double-sided tape to attach cardboard to the inside. Hot glue wall moss to the cardboard. Go a little outside the circle. Make a treetop. Spray the moss with water to make it look dewy. Glue on a piece of tree bark to be the trunk and attach a twig to the moss. Cover the bark with clear nail polish. When it's springtime, everything's blooming, even notebooks. No wonder Miss Cactus has a whole tree growing on her sketchbook. She loves nature so much. Did you like our spring school supplies? Then let us know in the comments about what bright, blossoming school supplies you'll bring to class this spring. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new spring life hacks from Troom.